welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I'm going to share with you what's in my everyday makeup bag, and I'm also going to have a couple of clips of me applying the makeup as well. So if you haven't been following me for long on my channel, I started doing project painting a while back. Now I still have kind of a wide collection of products, but I'm trying to focus and only use what is in my makeup bag for the month. So if you haven't seen the last one, I will link it up above for you guys. But let's get into the products I have been using and will continue to use for this month. So the first thing I do at all times when applying my makeup is using my Urban Decay primer potion. This is in the original. There are different kinds. I also use the anti-aging one. I do like the Wet n Wild, and I do like the e.l.f. primer. This is the one I'm currently using right now. I do really see a good difference with my eyeshadow, how long it lasts, with how vibrant it is towards the end of the day. So that is what I have been using this month and loving. Then for eyeshadow, I kind of layer that with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Fresh eyeshadow. It is a single that I keep in my Z palette right now. I just kind of apply that to set my eyeshadow primer and kind of make a base shadow for all over my eyes. And then this year for Pan That palette, I've been using my Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Instant Eye palette in Pillow Talk. So I have been updating you guys with my progress. Basically, my goal was to use up this entire palette during this year, and I will keep you guys updated with that. I'm not going to show you what it looks like. Check that update if you want to see kind of what is in here. But I do kind of do majority of my eyeshadow that way. And then right now I threw in here and I'm supplementing my quad. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Luxury palette, and I am working on this as well. You can see I have hit pan kind of on that champagne kind of shade right there. So I have been working on this with my eyeshadow, and that's kind of the eyeshadow look is what you see on my eyes here and in the demo that I've been doing on a pretty everyday basis. I do think these kind of tones are perfect for the summertime and kind of your everyday wear. So then I typically go in with foundation or BB cream. I have been loving the Wet n Wild Bare Focus Tinted Hydrator. This has hyaluronic acid and it's oil-free, sheer to medium coverage. Definitely more like light medium coverage, not a super thick foundation or anything by that means, but I have been loving it. It's what I use on a pretty regular basis. If I am headed to the pool or know I'm spending a lot of time outside, I have been reaching for my IT Cosmetics. It's the Your Skin But Better CC Plus Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream, and this has an SPF of 50 in it, so it kind of is a little bit more greasy looking, oily looking on my skin. I typically have normal to dry skin, but I think the high coverage SPF on it, I'm not a big fan of the way it kind of sits on my skin. But as you can see, I have been working on it quite a bit, so I do hope to use this up by end of summer. Then I go in with my concealer, and I love the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I use the shade Light Neutral. I just dab it on the back of my hand, apply it with my finger underneath my eyes, all around my nose, any kind of various spots that I need. Highly recommend this. Always have this. I also have the Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline in my car as well. So to set everything, I typically reach for my Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder, and this looks stark white, but it is translucent on the skin. I probably will hit pan on this during the month upcoming. I've gone through a ton of these. The biggest thing I will say for like a deterrent of this product is the clasp. This packaging is plastic, kind of flimsy, so sometimes the clasp does kind of break off, especially if you travel with this. But for the price and what it does and coverage, I really like it. Fancier days, I reach for my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder, and this is in the shade Dim Light. This just kind of gives it a little extra finesse, a little glow to your face. Instead of that matte white look, it just kind of helps give a little sheen without being like highlighter all over your face. So I like having this in there as well. I typically have not been wearing bronzer a lot. I only really have one bronzer in my collection currently, but blush, I have been loving my Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Cheek to Chic Pillow Talk blush, and that is the blush I have on now. I'll also take the highlighter and apply it on my cheekbones as well as in the middle of my eyes, just to kind of give a little extra pop to my face and make everything kind of look all cohesive. Then I typically go in with my liner. Now I did recently purchase, and you'll see a demo here of me using the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Waterproof Retractable Gel Eyeliner. I purchased the liquid eyeliner from Target, but they gave me the gel eyeliner. I'm not a super big fan of gel eyeliner or just pencil eyeliner in general, but this one has been doing pretty good. It's a little bit thicker of a line that I typically like and I'm used to with just using liquid eyeliner in general. But I do like how smooth and easy it is to apply, so I will continue to work on that. And then for liquid eyeliner, my Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Intense Black is what I typically go for. Then for my lashes, right now I'm using the Maybelline Rocket Volume Express Hydrofuge. So it is waterproof, and the shade I have is probably like their blackest black or something. I really like this mascara. It has been doing a really good job on my lashes. It is waterproof. I have worn it to the pool, splash pad, you name it, and it has stayed on throughout the day, and it's kind of one of those rougher ones you need your eye makeup remover and a makeup eraser to kind of take off at the end of the day, so that is my kind of mascara. Then I have my brow product. This is the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. Super easy to use. It has a little kind of spoolie brush that you just kind of brush into your eyebrows. So it is my favorite on-the-go, quick and easy brow product. Another thing that is in this makeup bag before I get into lip products is my Trestique. This is the mini shadow crayon in Morimoto Pink Pearl, and I have actually been wearing this a ton. But when I just want a quick, easy look, I'll apply this all over the lid and put one of the kind of the crease shades in my crease, and I'm good to go. And it is lasting throughout the day, so I always have this when I don't want to do a whole eyeshadow look. So for lips, what I have, and you'll see in the demo, is my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick. I am obsessed with this formula, and sad that this baby is almost done, but so happy. I love this lipstick. It is seriously my favorite this year. I have totally fallen in love with Charlotte Tilbury, especially their lip products and eyeshadows, so definitely will be checking out more of those. I also have her Pillow Talk Intense. I'll give you guys kind of swatches right here. So that is Pillow Talk right there. Pillow Talk Intense is a little bit deeper, a perfect shade for the fall time. And that is Pillow Talk Intense. So those kind of are my go-to Charlotte Tilbury. I also have a hot pink one as well, but these kind of have been the ones I'm drawn to. And then you guys know I've been trying to pan the Too Faced Birthday Suit. And that is Too Faced Birthday Suit right there. So it's a little more pinky than Pillow Talk. But that is everything that is in my current everyday makeup bag. Let me know if you have any products that you really like using this month and are trying to use a little bit more in the month to come. I'll keep you guys updated with my current everyday makeup routine every month here on my channel. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with new videos from me, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where